Okay guys, so I pretty much figured that the last video we didn't cover much on what we do as traders. It just pretty much just touched on the companies that you trade for and what we actually do as a company. So I want to just actually touch more on Forex. So this is a chart that we're looking at right now. And as you can see, we have price that has been pushing down for so long. Now it's going to sound more like bullshit to you, or sound like jargon, because you don't actually know a lot of things, and most of this would be explained in our class. But as of right now, I'm looking at the market and I can pretty much see weakness in here. So pretty much just broke this region, and for me, I'm looking at seeing price probably I'm looking at seeing price probably go up from here. I don't really we can't really forecast what's going to happen, but we don't really have power over what's going to happen in this space, but we can actually learn and understand. Okay, so for this one, I'm expecting possible push to the downside, but overall, remember I said from the beginning, what we have been seeing from the beginning is that price has been falling down, so most likely we might actually continue going down as well. So for now, let's just quickly watch and see how far this chart goes. So I'm going to is okay. Remember I told you I wanted to see price push up. So now we have that push and we have pretty much broken areas. So now I'm looking for a retracement. I'm looking for price now. Remember I drew and I told you I wanted to see price go up, retrace, and then probably push up. That was what I was looking for. So now we are quickly watching it and we're waiting for that push down. We have not gotten it. We're waiting for that push down. It went straight to our target, but we're looking for a push down first before anything. So I'll just okay, we had a little push. It wasn't as clean as we wanted, so we'll just let that pass. We'll let that pass. We'll let that pass. Let me zoom in a little bit so that it's a lot easier. So we're expecting to see price come back down somewhere in here before. Okay, so remember I told you wanted to see price come back down in there before we can actually probably start entering on the buy. So the buy is actually happening now. Now from here I can decide whether to do buy or sell, and for me I think I'll just do a buy. Okay, now we don't really know if, remember I told you we don't have any control over the market. We have zero control, so whenever I take this trade we don't really know if it's going to just give us a loss or if it's going to give us a profit. Like you can see, this one is a loss. So now we've taken one trade and we have lost some money. Let me check my account balance. So we pretty much just lost, that was 1.5, 1.7, sorry, there was an error in that, so I'm going to ignore that anyways. So I'm still going to take a buy again. Remember I told you I wanted to see a buy. This thing has been acting up for some days now. Okay, so drop that in. I'm doing a buy again. That first trade we took didn't go well, so let's see, we might actually still lose money on this one. Okay, so still lost money, but I still feel this one should go up. It's not happening now, but it should eventually happen. As you can see, I said it should go up, and that's what is actually playing out now. So quickly, let's see if this one gives us what we're looking for right now. We didn't break this area. We didn't break it, so we might just continue. This is what we call a consolidating market. So in this type of market, we don't trade until we have a break. Yeah, there's a break now. So from here we have broken, so I'll just look for a textbook setup now. Textbook setup, let's see if we can come into this region. Okay, so I think I feel convinced with that one now. This time around we're doing a sell. We're doing a sell this time around. We're doing a sell. Let's see. So we've taken one loss, and let's see if price gives us one win now. So we're struggling, we're going down, we're struggling, and okay, finally the push down is happening finally. So now we can close. What is sweet about this is that we are able to remove. Now I've removed the risk. Now I'm no longer risking any money, but as you can see, we still have this market moving in here. We have about $60. Oh, I forgot to close when it pushed down. Anyways, let's just watch. So we have $69. It did not break this region. We wanted to see it break that place. I feel price might actually tag me out now. I wanted price to push down, but it refused to push down. But anyways, we have $45 on this one. We lost $51, I think, on the last trade. Right, $51. It should be around $51. Yeah, it's $51. We lost $51 on the last trade, and is a new one, and it's floating at 48. We're at 54 now, 66. Just look at the balance here. I want to see price fall down. I want to see it fall down. If it falls down, we can get like $200 from this one quickly, and it would have been a nice hustle for one day. But seems like it's refusing to go in our direction. Well, we're just going to be exercising patience. Right now we don't have any risk, so even if this one closes, it will be closing with like zero loss. So we're not risking anything anymore. Okay, so finally the push is happening now. As you can see, we're up 120. We're floating 120. I want to see this drop. Serious drops is what I'm looking for. Okay, fair value gap here. We have fair value gap here. That was filled just here. We have fair value gap here. So we're in 200, just close to 200 now. And the drop just continues. It's massive. The drop is massive. Okay, I feel this video is already quite long, so yeah guys, this is a quick glimpse. I'm just giving you a snapshot of what we do, and as you can see here, we lost $51, and in this next trade we have already banked close to 350. Well, our main target was this area here. Our main target was this one here. These are our targets. This is where we want to leave the market, and as you can see right now, it seems like we have gotten to that place. So I'm going to be closing very soon. I'll be closing very soon. The moment it touches that area, I'll be closing. Yeah, give it to me. Come on, let's go. Yeah, that's it. We're out. So yeah, so as you can see, 51 loss and profit of 348. Meaning if we had actually left this one, it would have continued going. And yeah, as you can see here, just over the left, you see the profits here. Profit of 456. Now we actually made 348 on this. If you minus 51, we should have about 200 plus made in profits, and that's just what we do as traders. This is what Forex is all about. and this is what we can actually help you do. This is proof of what we can do. We have other videos on YouTube, other videos in our class where we actually trade. We'll show you how to do this. Is all practical, it's not theory. I'll be showing you so that you can be doing it by yourself and making this money by yourself. And the good part is that you'll be getting funding, so you don't actually need your own money. As you can see, this is $5,000. It's not my own money, it's a company's money that we are going to be trading with. You get? So we'll be linking you to a company that will be giving you these funds. You don't need to have the funds by yourself. Okay, so yeah, watch the next video now and you should have a much more understanding where I will show you the companies that you'll be trading for, and also show you the other business that we do. And yeah, look forward to getting a response from you the moment you're done watching both videos.